Hello guys and welcome to another video. So today I'm gonna show you how to make an advanced scrolling platformer. So this is the part 1 of my scrolling platformer. So let's start. So first let's delete this cat sprite and draw another sprite. Okay, let's name it player. Okay, so I'm gonna use a square. Let's zoom in and draw a square. Let's make it a little small. Okay, just like this, and center it. Yep, just like this. Now let's go to code and let's code it. And also let's make a ground sprite. Let's select the paint tool, name it to ground, OUND, ground, or we can also call it level. Okay, so now let's make the level, draw the level. I set the outline to 0 and then let's select this color. Okay, yep, a brownish color. I think yes, that is good. Let's draw the dirt just like this, and then make sure that this is full covered at the bottom. Now press OK. Okay, so draw, and now I will draw the grass. Yep, like this. Yep, and let's group it and let's make a wall. Make a wall like this. Okay, and then let's make a slope to tell that we have the slope direction. Okay, so we have this slope too. Let's make this ground a little big. Okay, yep, this is nice. And let's also make a ceiling. Okay, so that we can check that do we have this ceiling collision. Okay, just like this, and let's put it here. Okay, fine, that's fully fine. Let's center it, x0 and y0. Let's go to player and let's code the player. So when green flag is clicked, then broadcast a message. We'll call this message green flag. So when I receive green flag, broadcast a message, name it start game loop. So, and then when I receive start game loop, now go here, make a block, name it reset and setup. So this will reset all the variables and other things, and set this to run without screen refresh so that it will happen immediately. We won't have to wait for it. So reset and setup, just like this. Put this here. So let's make the variables we need. First, let's do this my variable. Make a variable, name it scroll x. Another, name it scroll y. So, and both of these variables will be for all sprites. And make a variable, name it x, and for this sprite only, for the player only. Make another, name it y, for the player only. And then okay, there's the variable we need. So set scroll x to 0 and then scroll y to 0, x to 0 and then y to 0. Yep, just like this. And then go here, take a forever loop. Now make another custom block and call it tick, and then update tick update. Okay, that's not good. Tick update. Oh man, I'm having trouble. So, and set this and press OK. No need to set this to run without screen refresh. Put it just right here and put this take game update just right here. Okay, now let's define this block. Go here, take an if statement. So let's make the, so now I will make the left and right movement first. If key D pressed and duplicated, put it here, and then take another block, name it key A pressed. So if key D pressed and then K, then we'll need to change the X by 1. No, we'll take 2 and then no, let's take 7. Yep, 2 is very slow. And then change X by -7. And then now we need to make another block and call it position. Position. Press OK. Position. Okay, so now put this position block here. So now what block will do is this will set the position of the player. So go here, take this go to block, go to, take to minus statement in the both slot, and at the first slot we'll put X and Y. Let me zoom in so you can see. So in minus X and Y, the minus scroll X, X minus scroll X, and then Y will be Y minus scroll Y. Yep, just write this, and let's put it here. Okay, fine, very fine. So let's unzoom. Okay, now you will see that the player moves, and also you can see that the player does not look good. Look, oh man, this is not good. So go to the costume, select it, set the outline to 0. We won't need that outline. Okay, and let's also change the color because I don't like this color at all. I'm gonna take orange. Yep, orange. So yep, this is a good color. So now we can see the player move perfectly. Okay, so now, well, actually we'll need the ground to move, not the player. So let's make it. By how? Go here, take this, set scroll X to X block, and still the player, now the player won't move because it's going to the scroll X minus X, and the X and scroll X is the same. That's why X minus scroll X is 0 and it's going to the 0. So, but the ground is not still moving. How to fix it? Well, yeah, it's really easy. Take this and duplicate it in the ground. Okay, make another block, name it position. Okay, and then take 2 inputs. First one will be X and the second one will be, no 7, it will be Y, and press OK. On this position here, take these 2 out, X and Y. Go here, take this position. Now in here you can put these 2. Yep, just like this. Go here, take this when I receive, set it to start game loop. When I receive start game loop, then forever. Yep, now you can see the ground moves amazingly, and look, and also the ground is at the front layer. Let's make the player go to the front layer when we start. So go to 0, no, go to front layer. Yep, okay, now the player is at the front layer. So yep, that's all for the part 1. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and wait for the part 2. I'll send it later. So bye bye.